So now that we've actually attached the mount to the camera, we're going to install the mount onto the robot. So when you put it on the robot, make sure with this style camera that the circuit board is facing into the center of the robot, not out to the outside of the robot. Okay? So face it in to the center, and then we're going to screw the mount into these last two holes on this plate which we installed underneath this L bracket here. And to do that, we're just going to use two 8mm M4 screws. Right there. And the tolerances on the 3D, before I do this, I'll point out, if you do use the metal camera mount that we made, before you screw this on, which you'll do the exact same way, you'll want to add a couple nuts on top, just to serve as spacers, because this mount, this beam, is actually slightly shorter than the 3D printed mount. So if you do use this metal one, go ahead and before you screw it into the beam, screw on two nuts just to be a spacer. So we're just going to add this now. There. The 3D printed holes are not threaded, but the spacing is such that they should catch the screws and be more than tight enough. If you like to make it more secure, which is really not necessary, but you could just use slightly longer screws and put nuts on the end of this. Make sure you don't over tighten these screws with the 3D printed mount, because you can strip them and then it won't grip well. But that is that.